Hi, hello, Dr. Stock viewers. Welcoming you all for my yet another investment idea. So here we're gonna see about the IPO which is going to end today. So that is none other than Tatva Chintan Pharma Chemical Limited. So we're gonna see about detailing what are the things that are super special in this IPO and what would be the valuations as per streets, whether it is going to be overvalued or short valued. As we're going to see about what would be the investment return of this IPO. So this all other things we're going to see here in this IPO very shortly. So let's go ahead and have a look about the company in brief, like the introduction on how the company is getting money, from where the source is getting money, and what are the things the company is doing. Actually, this company, Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited, right? This is incorporated in the year 1996 and it is a Gujarat-based company. We have to note this point very clearly. It's a Gujarat-based company. So it's a chemical manufacturing company and it is something like a super specialty chemical limited. But the products which are getting manufactured through this industry are very, very special. Like the vehicle which we are using in BS6, right? So they do something, use specifically something related to SDAs. So that is also getting manufactured here in this company. And apart from that, they are giving so much good support for the specialty batteries, so which are being used in the EV vehicles, both in two-wheeler and four-wheeler. So these are some of the major products of this company. And apart from this, this company is owning almost very close to 96 products which are very unique. Okay, so that's how it goes. And this company is also acting as an API, so they are giving some of their APIs like to other companies as well. So they have many clients in the current way, like so many top players like Baycop, Navin Florin, Atul Chemicals and SRF Limited, Hawking Chemicals. So all are their customers only, and they will be supplying some of this product of their company. So these are one of the main important thing of this Tatva Chintan. And moving on with this thing is like in most of the cases, right? So what is happening is these products which are coming out of this company is very, very special when compared with the other specialty chemical companies. So that is one of the unique thing. So when they are in super specialty also, their business is something different, which is unique. So they are among the top player in this SDS and PTC. So that is what we have as per the company introduction. So we'll move directly with all other things like, so overall revenue part from where this company is getting. So what are the different places, how the manufacturing is happening, and what are the different products in which they make money. So what is the contribution of the total revenue? All these things we are going to see in detail, and after that we're going to see about the expense and revenue growth of company. Parallelly, we're going to see about the profit and loss statement. So after that, and we'll go with the valuation part. Along with that, what would be the IPO details, and along with that, we're going to see about the what is the expected listing gains at the end of this video. Okay, we'll just straight away go ahead and see what are the major things which contribute the money for the company. So majorly, they are getting more money from SDS. So they are the second largest manufacturer of SDA for zeolites. So that is one of the very big things. So they're gonna get money completely like 1,202 crore they're getting completely on this SDA part. So that is 40% of the revenue is coming from the SDS. So largest commercial manufacturer of SDS for zeolites. And the key application or list of the product is like manufactured, which is used in emotion control sufficient catalyst. So this SDAs are mainly used in this BS6 vehicle so that it reduces the pollution. So that is where this SDAs come into play, and this is going to be the second largest manufacturer in global, in worldwide. That is the main advantage here. As we know very clearly, the demand for vehicles are getting increased right now. So that is how the demand comes for this industry as well, as they are having 40% of the contribution in SDS. And next goes the PTCs. So here it would be like it would be used in the pharmaceuticals in intermediates and agrochemicals in intermediates. This PTCs I'm saying. So here the revenue contribution is around very close to 816 crore and it is coming very close to 28%. So there are around 48 products in this PTCs and in SDA we have around close to 47 products. One of the leaders and largest producer in this. And electrolyte salt for SCBs. So in this case they are earning an income of around very close to 30 crore and it is contributing 1% of their income. They are one of the largest producers. That's it. For PASC. So they manufacture one particular substitute called PASC, where the revenue is around very close to 912 crore. It is coming and contribution of around very close to 30% for them. And we have 53 products in that. So they are also one of the main ingredient for pharmaceutical intermediates and agrochemical intermediates. This particular component called PASC, I'm saying. So this is how the revenue break is happening. So they have four major things in which out of which one is very very small. That is the electrolyte salt for SCBs. Rest all contributes very close to 30 to 40%. So that is how the revenue is getting broken. Okay. So coming on to the expense. So as long as the company is growing, the expense also will grow since we will be having some more other things to take care, right? So the percentage of total revenue, right? So it is consistently increasing. As of now, it is double. Previously, in the year 2019, it is very close to 12%. Right now, it is very close to 24%. Means that company is growing in a very good way. So when we see many companies, right, the valuation is getting increased because of the growth, the percentage of total income only. So as long as it doubles, right? How many years, for example, it doubles in the 5 years, it doubles in 10 years, means it consistently doubles in the period of 5 years. But whereas when we go for this company, it is getting doubled in 2 years. So that is one important thing we have to know. And very importantly, specialty chemical is right now the demanded industry in India at the moment. So revenue from operations is considerably growing in the range of 20%. So it was 206 in the year 2019 and right now it is very close to 300. Operating EBITDA again consistently growing in the percentage of around very close to 39. Previously it is very close to 33. Right now it is very close to 65. PAT is also considerably growing in a ratio of around very close to 60%. Previously it was 20.54. Right now it is 52.26. And PAT margin again it is going in a very good way from 10. Right now it is in 17. That is very good. So that is all what we have the companies in terms of the earning perspectives. What are the things company is doing in terms of earnings? So let's go ahead and see detail about what is the valuation available. Right? Let's check the fundamental components. How this is going to reflect for the next upcoming years. Now, return on EOE. I'll go with the basic parameter return on equity. So, when comparatively, when we see, right, so I'm comparing this with the players which are available in the industry. That is the super specialty one. As long as this company is producing somewhat different chemicals, but still this comes under the same super specialty chemicals. So that is Tatva Chintan Pharma. It is giving a return of around very close to 32%. When we compare this with the peer group, this is the second highest, and we have Alkyl Amines which is leading here with 44.6. So that is fine. And return on net worth comparison with the listed peers. Again, here Alkyl Amines is leading with 37, whereas Tatva is giving very close to 31. That is fine. PE when compared with the listed peers, right now it is very close to 41.62. When compared with the listed peers, right now it is very very less. But when compared with the industry, it would be 31, slightly higher with the industry, but not over expensive. So that's what we can see as per the listing way. Price per book value, again it will be Alkyl Amines which is leading the price per book value. So it would be like very close to third highest here with 13 points. That's fine. So on seeing this with the valuations, what we can come into conclusion is right now super specialties are run up like anything, but still we have good growth in a company like the one which is coming as a new player and giving different prospective products which is not available in the market as of now. So that is what we have to take it from Tatva Chintan. So that is one of the key important thing. And majority of the income for this client is coming from the top 10 clients. That is, they contribute around very close to 60% of their income on the top 10 clients. So that is the one point we have to note here for Tatva. I'll go detailing in the IPO details as of now, and after that I'll come to the limitations. What is limitation in this IPO, like drawbacks? So the IPO size is around very close to 500 crores, out of which the fresh issue in 225 and offer for sale is very close to 275. That is fine. The face value of this IPO is 10 and the price band here is 1073 to 1083. So the retail will be applying in a higher price band with 1083 and the lot size here will be 13. So minimum is 13 lots, 13 shares with 1 lakh we have to apply. That is very close to 14,079. And maximum you can go for 13 lots with 1,97,106. And that is what we have as of now with IPO details, and it is getting listed in both BSE and NSE. And issue date is closing today. In another next 1 hour it will be closing, and allotment date is 26th. So we will wait for another 6 days. And refund will happen on 27th, and credit to demand will happen on 28th, and offer for trading is starting on 29th. That is the next Thursday. And allotment is allotment proportion will be QIB 50% and NII it would be 15 and retail it would be 35. That's fine. And coming on to the limitations of this IPO. So what are the drawbacks? When we consider the limitations here is as this is a global player, okay, second largest player in the SDA, so we have to check what is happening, right? So this will be contributing majorly for the vehicle control or the vehicle, right, which need to be run without pollution. Then we need to have this component SDA in our vehicles. It is a composition which need to be added, right? So then it will be majorly used in across globe, okay. So what is happening in the revenue part is they're getting alone exports, right? So they will be sending these parts as an exports. Around very close to 18% of the revenue is coming from China, and around very close to 15% is coming from US. Okay. Previously, Germany is contributing major revenue. As we know, most of the automobile giants, RD, this guy Volkswagen, right? That group of companies completely Skoda, everything is in Germany. So that is where they are contributing major around very close to 27% in the year 2019. So right now it has significantly gone down to around very close to 2%. Means that globally this company is having some presence. So we have to check that. That is the only thing, like whether there is any problem with the exports. So this will have some impact. So rest apart from that, everything looks cool. Okay. And going on with the what is the expectation on IPO, I would suggest everyone to give a try of this IPO. Reason being, it is going to happen on thing of luck, right? So it would be completely on an pickup, lottery pickup. So you can go ahead and subscribe for this. And what is the minimum thing you can expect here for this IPO is you can expect a minimum returns of 60% to 80%. So minimum this will be listing more than 1,700 rupees. So right now it is 1,083 on IPO. It will be listed more than 1,700 rupees, and it can shoot up to 100% as well. So things are going in that way because we are seeing the oversubscription as well as the gray market premium is getting hiked for this IPO. So that is the reason for it. Thanks, friends. Thanks for watching this video. I will connect with you on the upcoming other IPOs and upcoming other ideas as well. Thanks. Bye bye. Take care.